let's be real. No one over the age of 30 learned about money in school. We learned the hard way and made mistakes. Now, when only 17% of schools are requiring financial education in any way, it's probably likely that your staff of millennials and Gen Z also don't know about money. So guess what the number one cause of workplace stress is? Guess what the number one cause of general stress is for Gen Z and millennials? It's money. And that has a profound impact on your business, especially if they're your employees. Now, as a small business owner, we definitely understand that providing full benefits is a huge financial commitment. And we also know that millennials and Gen Z really value growth. Investing in their education is the fastest, most effective way to do that. One of our partners, Aero Sign Spinners, has a very young team and brought us out to their national sign spinning competition in Las Vegas to really educate their team about money and get them to understand themselves and the way they interact with it. A huge benefit to their team and definitely big for team culture. Check out some highlights from that event.
We are Money Club. If you need, we are Money Club. Help with your money. We are Money Club.
Well, you're not only learning how to be fiscally responsible, you're learning how to be, I want to say, emotionally responsible too.
Totally. It really allows to see where you are, so that way you can see where you need to be and what you can do from there.
One thing I learned about that I didn't know about before were like the different types of money handler that you are. Like whether you're a protector, you're an investor. I found out that I was a protector investor.
So you can see we do workshops differently. We believe in that because we've all been to a financial workshop or seminar where everybody's falling asleep. The mission here is to provide personalized information and tools for your team because everyone's got their own personality, they've got their own misfits, the mistakes. All of these pieces of money are incredibly subjective. So our workshops start with vulnerability. We've got to open a safe place where we can talk about this and be honest and be candid. And that's going to contribute to your team culture in the long run. We've also got an online course that back ends all of this and provides personalized tools and assessments to allow your team to sink into the material and make the proper changes that end up coming back and influencing your workplace. Millennials and Gen Z team members often feel like they've got to have meaning and significance in their workplace, that the workplace is more than just a paycheck, that it's a part of their family and a part of how they see the world and how they're going to grow into the person they want to become. Our workshops are designed to really uplift your team culture, make this discussion about money very relevant, and give your team tools so that they feel your investment in them, just like their investment in you is critical in your business growth. What we're really contributing to is the output, the productivity of your business, but we're going about it in a way that's holistic so that your business is the one that grows by growing your people. If we can support you in a meaningful way, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We would love to support your team.